I'm Josh Luftspring, president of Best Brand Appliance. Today we're talking about Sub-Zero. Why are Sub-Zero refrigerators so expensive and what makes them worth it? If you're considering buying a Sub-Zero, this may be the most important few minutes before making that decision. And if you've ever seen the price and thought, there's no way a refrigerator can be worth that much money, stay with me. Because once you understand how these refrigerators are engineered, manufactured, and tested, you may never look at refrigeration the same way again. First, understand that Sub-Zero wasn't designed to be a luxury refrigerator. It was designed to solve a problem. Back in 1945, Westy Baca, the founder of Sub-Zero, wanted to create a refrigerator that preserved food longer than anything available. While most manufacturers focused on making refrigerators colder, Sub-Zero focused on preserving freshness. That's still the company's philosophy today. Most refrigerators use a single cooling system to cool both the refrigerator and freezer compartments. That means dry freezer air constantly migrates into the fresh food section, causing vegetables to dry out faster and food to spoil sooner. Sub-Zero took a different approach. They developed dual refrigeration technology, meaning the refrigerator and freezer each have their own sealed cooling system. The freezer stays cold and dry, the refrigerator stays cool and humid. The two environments never mix. This allows produce, dairy, meats, and fresh foods to last significantly longer than they would in a conventional refrigerator. But preserving food isn't just about temperature, it's also about air quality. That's why Sub-Zero incorporates an advanced air purification system inspired by technology originally developed for NASA. Every 20 minutes, the refrigerator scrubs the air inside the cabinet, reducing odors, bacteria, mold, viruses, and ethylene gas. Ethylene gas is naturally released by fruits and vegetables as they ripen. It's one of the primary reasons food spoils. By continuously removing it, Sub-Zero helps slow the aging process of fresh foods. Then there's temperature control. Most refrigerators experience temperature swings throughout the day as compressors cycle on and off. Sub-Zero refrigerators are designed to maintain exceptionally precise temperatures. Even a few degrees can dramatically affect the texture, flavor, and shelf life of food. This is why chefs and serious home cooks appreciate the difference. But what truly separates Sub-Zero from many competitors is what happens before a refrigerator reaches a customer's home. The manufacturing process is unlike what you'll find in many mass-market appliances. Sub-Zero builds its products in the United States and maintains extraordinary control over production quality. Every refrigerator that leaves the factory is individually tested, not sampled, not randomly inspected. Every refrigerator. Each unit is powered up and run through a series of inspections to verify refrigeration performance, electrical systems, controls, lighting, door alignment, and overall operation. If something isn't perfect, it doesn't ship. Beyond individual testing, Sub-Zero engineers spend years validating every design. Doors are opened and closed tens of thousands of times to simulate decades of use. Drawers are cycled repeatedly. Shelves are loaded and tested. Compressors are run continuously. Components are subjected to temperature extremes and real-world stress conditions. The goal isn't to build a refrigerator that survives the warranty period. The goal is to build one that can still be performing 20 years from now. And that's why so many Sub-Zero refrigerators remain in service long after other refrigerators have been replaced. When homeowners buy a Sub-Zero, they're not simply paying for stainless steel or a brand name. They're paying for decades of engineering. They're paying for food preservation technology. They're paying for manufacturing standards that few companies invest in. And they're paying for a product designed to protect one of the most expensive things we put into our homes every week: our food. So the next time someone asks why a Sub-Zero costs more than a typical refrigerator, the answer is simple: because it was never designed to be a typical refrigerator. It was designed to be the best food preservation system a homeowner can buy. And for millions of homeowners, that's exactly what it has become. I'm Josh Luftspring, and now you know what's behind the price tag.